HitBTC Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of HitBTC, a cryptocurrency exchange tailored for both advanced traders and those looking to explore a wide range of digital assets. HitBTC is known for its vast selection of over 800 cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, and advanced tools like an intuitive API and customizable trading interface. If you're serious about crypto trading, HitBTC is designed to meet the needs of seasoned professionals while still remaining accessible to newcomers who want access to diverse coins and trading pairs. One standout feature is its tiered fee structure, which rewards higher trading volumes with lower fees. For market makers, HitBTC offers rebates, incentivizing liquidity provision, a rare perk among exchanges. The platform also supports spot trading, margin trading, and futures, making it ideal for those who enjoy a variety of trading strategies. Security-wise, HitBTC employs industry-standard practices like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold wallet storage, and encrypted data protocols. However, it's crucial to note that HitBTC has faced criticism for slow customer support and a strict KYC process. Based on my experience, completing KYC in advance is essential to avoid delays in withdrawals or account access. The trading interface is feature-rich, providing customizable charting tools, multiple order types, and market depth insights. If you're a fan of automation, the API allows for algorithmic trading, making it a go-to for bots and high-frequency traders. One downside, however, is the platform's steep learning curve, particularly for beginners. While the interface is powerful, new users may find it overwhelming. That said, there are plenty of tutorials and a demo account to help ease the onboarding process. Another strength is the platform's fiat gateway, supporting deposits in several major currencies, making it convenient for global traders. On the downside, withdrawal fees can be higher than some competitors, so it's worth considering if you're planning frequent transfers. My personal experience with HitBTC has been smooth when it comes to trading execution and liquidity. The market depth ensures minimal slippage, even for larger trades. In conclusion, HitBTC is an excellent choice for advanced traders seeking a comprehensive and secure platform with diverse trading options. Beginners should be prepared for a learning curve, but the rewards are worth the effort. If low fees, high liquidity, and access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies are your priorities, HitBTC is worth considering. Just ensure you're prepared to navigate its complexities.